Hello, this is my assignment for programming paradigms for the Haskell text editor. So editor is loaded. Input of text line from the code. Adding in a character to the code line. Deleting the character to the left. Deleting the character to the right. Moving cursor to the right. Moving cursor to the left. Moving cursor word right. Moving cursor word left. Moving cursor to the start of the line. Moving cursor to the end of the line. Any other functionality can be checked with the code that's actually included in this assignment, as this video has run too long as it is anyway. Thank you.